Good day everyone, I'll be discussing our study's conceptual framework shown in Figure 2. Our study uses the input process output model based on the theory of transfer of learning. It explains how BHCOM student employees apply what they learned in school to their work in BPO companies. The input covers their academic training, personal motivation, and workplace environment. The process shows how they apply and adapt their communication skills, and the output reflects their improved performance, professionalism, and personal growth. For the ethical considerations, our study will follow all research ethics to ensure the safety, consent, and privacy of participants. We will get approval from the Research Ethics Review Unit of Gordon College before starting. Participation is voluntary, and all data will be kept confidential under the Data Privacy Act of 2012. Lastly, we will present our findings honestly and accurately based on the participants' real experiences.